up everyone, Jogna here and welcome back to another video. And today, I am not playing today, but I think I played something today. Because this is a very special video, guys. Because today, pum. Heard that? You hear that? You hear that? It means, BAM! That's right. I got a fidget spinner, and this is a fidget spinner, and look at this color. See, so you can see its color is it's gold, right? It's gold, right? Okay, guys. So since you know that I have a fidget spinner like this, I also have one in my house. But it's not gold, it's just a plastic one. And I can balance it. But I can balance it here. Okay, guys. I am now using the... Okay. Let's balance it. Let's play it. Let's spin it. Yay! This long. Or else I can just balance this. See? Cool, right? So cool. Bum. Coolest tricks ever that I ever done. And this, okay, see, I can do tricks like this. I can, oh my god, yeah, oh god, good thing I don't have a scratch. Let's do it again. Okay, do this again, guys. I can do this because I am in a car. Not from now on. Well, thank you very much for watching my video, guys, and I hope you want to see more and subscribe. Bye.